Hyperlinks are a terrific way to add value to your task map. Just about any part of the task shape can have a hyperlink. Let's select HR Policy Manual, that's one of the guidelines. Right-click and choose Add Edit Hyperlink. The TaskMap hyperlink dialog appears, and by the way, we created a custom hyperlink dialog because it offers capabilities that the Visio hyperlink dialog does not. We're going to create a link to a document, so let's choose the Browse button next to Location. Choose the Human Resources Policy Manual, and by the way, notice you can link to PowerPoint, Word, Excel, other Visio documents. If you want to link to something that's not an Office document, just select PDF or All Files in the lower part of the dialog. I'll stick with the Human Resources Policy Manual, click Open. Now I could click Apply and Close at this point and have a perfectly valid hyperlink that would open that document at the top. But many documents are used multiple times in various tasks throughout a process, and it would be even better for your reader if you could create a link to a specific part of the document. And that's exactly what we allow with the bookmark capability. Click the Browse button next to Bookmark, and TaskMap has just opened the Word document and presented a list of all the named locations in the document. If you link to Excel, you'll see a list of cell names, range names, and so forth. I'll choose Recruiting, click OK, and now I'll click Apply and Close. And let's see the magic that we've created by adding the bookmark. I'm going to do what the pop-up text says, Control-click to follow the link. The Word document opens, and the text that I surrounded with my bookmark is highlighted on the screen. So it is indeed a context-relevant hyperlink. Rather than opening at the top, we went to a specific location. Next, let's link to a web page. Right-click, as usual, Add Edit Hyperlink. When you want to link to a web page, simply select that choice and then paste the URL into the address box. I'm going to use the TaskMap training page as a stand-in for this company's training page. Notice that web pages can also have bookmarks, so I can link to a specific location on a web page if I want to. I'll click Apply and Close, and let's see what happens when we follow this hyperlink. Sure enough, the web page opens. What about linking to a database or a form or an information system of some sort? In this case, I would select a program, and I don't have an HR database on my system, so I don't have anything to link to, but simply browse and find the system in question or the database in question. Next, let's create an email hyperlink. To do so, select Email and then simply fill in the form. Let's address this email to recruiter@taskmap.com, and I can fill in CC or BCC addresses. The subject line is perhaps question about job descriptions. And if I want to, I can even fill in body text for the message. I'll stop here at this point, click Apply and Close, and let's see what happens when we follow this link. In this case, Outlook pops up a new email. It's pre-addressed as we specified. There's a subject line as we specified, and now all I need to do is fill in the body of the message and click Send. The real power of adding hyperlinks to your task maps is that it allows you to turn your task map into the central repository for all process knowledge. People will know that they can start with the task map and link from there to anything else they need to get their work done.